What up, guys? It's Ashawnya and I'm here with another video. I have no idea what I'm doing today. For sure, I'm gonna pick up my sister's cake. I have some deliveries and the same pig pens and stuff. That's every day. So stay tuned for what's to come today. And there's a blooper at the end. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you don't miss anything. All right, so our chef is preparing breakfast for us, and this is us. We're getting served one by one. All right, so we all served, and my sister is going to do the praying.
Ready?
Yeah, we ready.
Thank you, God, for breakfast and family. Amen.
Amen. Alright, so breakfast is done. We done ate breakfast and we're about to head out now to get the pig pen clean and my delivery is done. Wait, there's music. Alright, so I got some grapes. Humble. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm currently packaging out some orders that I have for delivery today. This is energy. It comes in the form of a capsule. It gives you 12 hours of energy, mental clarity, and focus. It stops your calories from turning into fat, and it doubles as a fat burner as it burns 300 to 600 calories per capsule. It also has this thing in it called 5-HTP, so it's going to send happy signals to your brain, leaving you feeling happy all day. So if you're interested in purchasing this, you can get this in the description box below. It also is good for people who are accustomed to energy drinks and stuff like that, so it's not going to give you the crashes at the end. Now what I'm doing is packaging out some ISO tea that I have for a client. Then we're going to head out to deliver, so stay tuned for that journey. Babe's back at it again. Just scoop the shit up from the big ones. And then here's the little ones. Look at Tevin's dogs. His name is Rex also. And this is Kobe. And then we have Russell. Hello. Y'all remember that little small dog that was barking and making a whole bunch of noise at the back set in my house? If you can't remember, I can put a clip in. But this is how big he get. If you look here, it says back to Barbados regular. This is in 2019, y'all. Look. Look at him. Look. Masha gonna beat him now. Smell it, poo poo. Keep puppy up. Yes, look at them. Y'all see how small he was? Yeah. And then here he was in some dog food. He was hungry. I put him outside and now he backs with me. Look. Crawling. Yes. Yes, Yes. Look. Like he's put your bad. Hey, look at. Oh, yes. This big dog, same dog. I am in awe. I literally can't see anything on the phone screen because I'm recording with my phone. Have not got my camera as yet, but I'm gonna show you this river, y'all. Look, the rain is falling so bad. I can't even see on both ends. And we actually been trapped in the house because we could not come out. Yeah, I'm back to the car to do the deliveries, but we just made a run for it. But let me tell you, that river though. Look, y'all, an island safari. This is the best weather for them because look at all this dirt. And if you look, the river is actually high and then it's actually going over the road. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the rainfall so bad. Y'all didn't even get to see it because it was trapped on the inside. But look. Alright, so out countryside. We're in St. Joseph. Some more waterfall. But yes. Alright, so we were basically driving and this power line is down and the trees cross the road, so we definitely can't pass. Like, that's how bad the rain definitely fell. If earlier, I'm telling you, we would not be able to pass the same part that I show you with the river flowing over the road. We would have definitely got washed away. In the country, it's a little different. So a van that was behind us, he basically said come through here, which is like a track or something. We don't know where we're going, but I guess we'll find out. Alright, so I'm soon to my delivery. I'm gonna show you guys. Again, if you guys really do miss me, you would follow me on Instagram. And I keep saying that because I actually, it's almost like I feel like got a whole new following on Instagram that don't even know about my YouTube. Because I actually go on there every single day and I show my daily life like every single day. Like, if you really want a day in the life of Ashawnya, even though I'm gonna put it here, you're gonna see every day in the life of Ashawnya if you follow me on Instagram. No joke, at Ashawnya. It is in the description box below. It's spelled the same way as my channel name. Again, guys, I'm here going to deliver, so stay tuned. Here you go. I'll wait for the NRG. Here you go. Thank you. Yes, I made it home. Now it's time to go get my lunch that I missed because everybody probably done eat theirs. So on my way to actually go get my lunch, I looked out through the window. Guess what I saw? A monkey. And then they actually had a whole family, because then I saw a smaller one. But then if you look here in the clip that's about to come, the monkey actually has a baby. So if you look, the monkey is actually going to put the baby and just, you know, hold it. It's so cute. There's so much of them. Yeah, so cute. Oh dear. Go over your chill here. You're very right. Ain't nobody gonna stop you today. You know what I mean? The very own customary lunch being served by myself. Lunch is served with some golden apple juice. So it's time to eat. This is roasted vegetables with salmon. It's tasty. So mommy just dropped off some floaties in my room, and she was like, I'm gonna need your human pump air, because every single time she always wants me to blow up these floaties. If you watched the video of the night dip in either Miami or Fort Lauderdale, whatever it was Florida. And I'm the one to blow up these things. So I'm gonna let it help me, because I'm not trying to be the only one using my human ear. So here's what, I'm gonna put it on hyperlapse and we gonna blow them up.
Bruh.
Hey yo. I did as much as I can do in that one short go. I feel so lightheaded. So much air just came out of my diaphragm. Let me tell you. Give me a split second. I can blow out the rest and I come back. Aye. So it still ain't done, but we gonna get some dinner. Sissy just came back home with her cake. Oh. Alright, so we got grilled chicken, baked potatoes, and tossed salad, and our drinks. Alright, so my plate is served. Alright, so your girl has her swimsuit on, and I'm going into the pool with my family. I'm so tired, but we gotta make this work. Let's give y'all a little spin. Anyway, let me get my beach towel and stop playing the fool. Y'all ain't never seen mommy in this vlogs. I'm like, wait, mommy is nowhere to be seen. She in the pool.
11 when she cried with her son.
My girl got she a bike for her. So that it won't get wet. And look, the bike full of water. That is ghetto as hell.
Defeating purpose.
Look, Not today. Service announcement.
19 and 2 more minutes. Is it finished? I hope when she get 4 and then after then she be just that second.
I know, right? 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday! Hey! 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 Hey!
I am 19 today. It's my 19th birthday. Hello.
First of all, I ain't even started the video yet, so I'm gonna stop and then start over because you will let me record. You can let me record now. Right. What up, guys? It's Ashawnya. I never stopped the clip. This is a blooper and it is hilarious. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Smash that like button, subscribe, rate, and comment. You can follow me on my social media at Ashawnya. It's all spelled the same way as the Ashawnya in my channel name. Today's post notification shout outs go to Mal and Anshay C. I want to thank you guys again for watching my video and stay tuned for more vlogs on this channel. Peace!
We gonna mash up the road. It's Ashawnya. Andale. Tell you what. My waistline hot like temper. Move up right down and center. My wine is an adventure with me.